Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage the acoustic signal function in Induction Hob BOSCH. So, in the first step we have to turn off the appliance, then turn it on, and in 10 seconds hold the key button for 4 seconds. Then click on the combi button again, and now we are in the user mode. Then click on the click on the combi button and go to the C2. And now the 0 means the confirmation signal and signal of the information about the problem. There is a turn it off. Number 1 means the only signal of the problem information is turned on. Number 2 means the only confirmation signal is turned on. And number 3, all the signals are turned on. So select your function and hold the combi button for 4 seconds to save. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.